In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send payment to the USA with Wise. To get started, open the Wise app or go to the Wise website, then log into your account. Before you continue, make sure your account is fully verified. This is important because verification helps prevent delays and ensures you can complete your transfer smoothly. Once you're on the home screen, tap or click Send to begin. Next, enter the amount you want to transfer. Start by selecting the currency you're sending from, then type in the amount you want to send. After that, choose USD as the receiving currency, since you're sending money to the United States. At this stage, Wise will automatically show you some very useful details, including how much the recipient is expected to receive, the transfer fee, the exchange rate, and the estimated delivery time. Take a moment to review this information so you understand the full cost and timing before moving on. Now it's time to add the recipient in the US. If you've sent money to this person before, you can simply select them from your existing recipient list. If not, choose Add a Recipient, then select United States as the destination country, and choose the appropriate recipient type based on who you're sending money to. After that, enter the required recipient information exactly as requested. For a US bank transfer, Wise will generally ask for the recipient's name and their US bank account details. When entering the bank information, be especially careful. This may include the recipient's full name, account number, routing number, account type if requested, and possibly an address or other supporting details. It's a good idea to double check everything before continuing, because even a small mistake in bank details can lead to delays or a failed transfer. Once the recipient details are entered, choose how you want to pay. Wise will show the payment methods available for your location and this specific transfer. Depending on your setup, you may be able to pay using your Wise balance, a bank transfer, a debit card, a credit card, or another local payment method. Wise will also display the fee and estimated delivery speed for each option, which can help you choose the one that works best for you. Before you send the payment, carefully review everything on the summary screen. Check the recipient's name, the US bank details, the amount you're sending, the amount the recipient will receive, the exchange rate, the Wise fee, and the estimated arrival date. If everything looks correct, select Continue, then Confirm, and send the transfer. After the payment is confirmed,